Evorich is a pioneer and a real gem in the world of multi-level crowd investing business. This is an international company promoting promising innovative projects and products using a multi-level crowd investing model and providing its partners with the best modern marketing tools and training. We have created two unique platforms for everyone who shares our values and wants to build a highly profitable global MLCI business with us. The first platform is the Evorich MLCI Academy, your foundation and knowledge that bring results. It is a multifunctional online platform with many unique courses and trainings from recognized international experts and current top leaders and stars of Evorich. The range of training programs of the Academy is constantly increasing and covers the most important topics related to both personal transformation and the acquisition of professional qualities. The materials are designed for people of different levels of education and age and are fit for anyone who wants to grow and develop, set the right goals and achieve them, to forge their own destiny and boldly go towards their dream, learn how to convince and influence people, and also build their own successful business that relies on a ready-made concept. Additionally, all products are based on the real, long-term experience of public speakers, and information coming from practitioners is the shortest path to success. The second platform is the Evorich Marketplace, your best business tools and opportunities for developing your MLCI business. Anyone can use them to build or increase exponentially their affiliate structure regardless of their location. It is a unique platform functioning as a one-stop shop for a variety of promising projects and digital products, as well as a library of modern marketing tools for their successful promotion. What makes the Evorich Marketplace so special? For businesses, this is an opportunity to offer their products to an audience of more than 1.7 million people and promote them using the MLCI model without spending on advertising. For partners, this is an opportunity to build a profitable business from scratch by recommending the products featured on the platform. Receive generous rewards within the Evorich affiliate program, participate in marketing promotions, and increase their sales. Make it your goal to learn new knowledge and skills that will be relevant for many years to come. You're welcome to join the global movement of MLCI entrepreneurs. Start by visiting both the Evorich MLCI Academy and the Evorich Marketplace and experience all their convenience and wide array of features for yourself.